Hey there! Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we'll go over the new sticky features. Sometimes you don't want a plain old static header. In this video, you'll learn how to make your header stand out more with some animation. Now it's possible to determine how the sticky feature behaves when users scroll. That means you can add effects and animation to make your header much more stylish. But first, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos to take your skills to the next level. First, set up your sticky header. In the Elementor editor, in your header, click on the section. In the panel, go to Advanced and open the scrolling effect. Choose Sticky Top or Bottom. I need Top. Select the devices you need, desktop, mobile, etc. Now go to Offset. Here you can move the header, or any other sticky element, up or down in pixels. The Offset effect lets you determine when the effects or changes will occur according to the scrolling distance in pixels. Let's set it to 100 pixels. But you won't see anything yet. First, we need to add CSS. In the CSS tab, we'll add a new CSS class that affects the Elementor sticky. The class name is Effects. So let's add some CSS here. I'll add a background color with 0.5 opacity. Now don't freak out. You can copy the code needed just below the video description. Click Publish and set your conditions. Let's preview what we did. Looking good. But we'll also add a cool animation to it, so the menu bar will scale down a bit when we scroll. Back to our code here, let's add a min height of 80 pixels to our Effects CSS class. And again, don't panic. You can find the CSS code in the video description below. Update, and let's check it out. Cool! This is amazing! So try it out. Engage your visitors more by adding effects to your sticky elements. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun videos.